Hello everyone, it's me again, Tarsher. So today, gagawa tayo ng salad. It's my own version. Cucumber, ito ang gamit ko maliliit kasi crunchy siya at saka seedless. Celery, carrots, and bell pepper. So, we just start with the cucumber. Kasi nga maliliit siya, so ganyan lang ang hiwa natin para may crunch. And then more. At masarap to pang kahit iulam or pang snacks. Pagkain ko lang to, salad ko lang to dahil nga ayaw ng mga bata at saka asawa ko ditong klase. So, and then celery. Hatiin natin yan. Ganyan lang yung hiwa niya. Hindi masyado malalaki. Ito na lakihan ko ng slice. Then just add there. And as I said, this is my version. And the bell pepper. Itong bell pepper na to ay sweet bell pepper. Just use this para i-shake natin siya mamaya. And then, the carrots. Just add a little of onions. May kick siya. So, i-slicein ko lang ng maliliit. And you can keep this for like 3 days. You just put it in the fridge. So, hindi na natin ubusin lahat. Kunti lang. Kasi medyo parang marami siya. And now we need to, we need to shake this later. Okay? Of course, black pepper. Mga 1 teaspoon. Instead of salt, ayan yung gamit ko. Crayon. Yellow mustard. Honey mustard. So, instead of sugar, nasa sa inyo yun, kung honey ang ilagay nyo or sugar. Ako ay honey. Yung raw na honey. Sa mga 1 tablespoon and apple cider vinegar. And then, we just put the lid and shake. So, para may kick siya, we just add red pepper. Kasi nga, maano siya, maanghang siya masyado. So, We just shake it. And voila! Look at that, guys. Let us try. It's delicious. As you can see. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.